In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel in ClickFunnels. Whether you're looking to sell a product, generate leads, or host a webinar, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can set up your sales funnel with ease and clarity. First things first, let's get started by logging in to ClickFunnels. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the ClickFunnels website. Enter your account credentials and click on Login. If you're new to ClickFunnels, make sure you've signed up for an account and have your login information handy. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickFunnels dashboard, which is the hub where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Funnels section. Look towards the main menu, often located on the left side of your screen. Click on the Funnels link. This section will display any existing funnels you've created or provide options for creating a new one. Once you're in the Funnels section, let's go ahead and click on Create Funnel. A new screen will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. Here, ClickFunnels will ask you to choose a primary goal for your funnel. These goals are preset based on common objectives people use ClickFunnels for. For instance, you can choose to sell a product if your aim is to set up an e-commerce funnel. Alternatively, you might select Generate Leads if you're focusing on building a customer base or host a webinar, if you're planning to engage your audience through live or recorded events. After you've determined your goal, it's time to give your funnel a name. This name should be descriptive enough to remind you of its purpose at a glance. For example, if you're creating a funnel for a new product, incorporate the product's name in the funnel description. Once you have settled on a name, enter it into the designated area. With your goal set and your funnel name chosen, it's time to create the funnel by clicking on the corresponding button. ClickFunnels will begin setting up your funnel structure based on the goal you selected. This automatic setup is one of the most powerful features of ClickFunnels, guiding you through page templates appropriate for your chosen objective. For instance, if you opted to sell a product, ClickFunnels might pre-populate your funnel with templates for a product page, order form, and a thank you page. As you proceed, keep in mind the flexibility ClickFunnels offers. You can customize each page within your funnel to suit your branding and specific needs by using the intuitive drag and drop builder. Feel free to adjust texts, images, and other elements to ensure it aligns with your vision and desired user experience. In conclusion, creating a sales funnel in ClickFunnels is straightforward once you log in, navigate to Funnels, select Create Funnel, choose your goal, input a name, and finalize your setup. Remember, your funnel's success often hinges on clear objectives and engaging content, so take your time optimizing each element. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll delve deeper into customizing and optimizing your ClickFunnels for the best results. Happy funnel building!